Hi everyone, it's EELOFTHEWORLD and today I am back with an Undertaker cosplay. I still have a few things to make for this cosplay. I've made this outer jacket, which I still need to tweak a little bit, and then I'm going to make his under jacket and then a weapon of some kind for him. I haven't decided which one I'm going to be doing yet. Also, I tried out brow blocking, which is something I've never actually managed to make work before, and it worked for the first time ever. But then I put the wig on and it just like took this eyebrow off completely because I was really careless with it. You can see under my hidden eye though that this one is much better. But this is the hidden eye, so it's staying hidden. It feels kind of weird. So not too long ago, I was reached out to by a company called LensVillage, which is actually one of the only places I buy my circle lenses from. I don't really use them too often, but when I do, it's literally there and like one other place. So I can wholeheartedly say that I trust them. They reached out to me and said that I could pick a pair of lenses and a wig and that I could make a review video for them on it. And of course, I looked at their wigs and saw this Undertaker one, so I had to have that one, and then I got the lenses to go with it. So I'm really pleased because I've always wanted to cosplay as Undertaker and now I finally can. So this is just going to be like an overall review video of it. LensVillage, actually, I didn't know that they did wigs as well, and I think they do like a few other things, but I had never heard of them doing wigs. So I was really excited when they said, oh, like pick a wig. So first of all, I'm going to review the lenses just because I have the least to say about them. So you can see the box, it says Sweetie and there's like an eye on it, and then over here you can see the lens. These are soft lenses, which I actually prefer to the other ones just because they're more comfortable, I find anyway. So these are the lenses. As you can see, they came in this nice foil thing. Just so you are aware, if you didn't know already, if you order lenses and the foil is damaged in any way, or you notice anything that just doesn't look right, don't put them in your eyes, contact the company and I'm sure they will sort it out for you. You just don't want to be risking anything like that with your eyes. They also sent some contact lens containers, and these are little green bears. I thought they were so cute and I love them so much. So this is the lenses. Please ignore my atrocity of an eyebrow over here, but they are really cute. I don't know if you can see, but they actually have little sparkles drawn onto them, like white sparkle stars. I don't know what they're called. It kind of makes them more cute. If you could have a cute Undertaker, I am now a cute Undertaker. I really like them. As you can see, the green on them isn't exactly like the most vivid tree green you're gonna ever see, but I think it works for Undertaker because it's kind of like you don't realize he has green eyes until quite a while after. So yeah, I think they're perfect for what I'm using them for. So now I've done the contact lenses, I'm just going to talk to you a bit about the wig. This wig came pre-styled, which is something I don't really come across often in wigs, and I don't know whether that's just because I like to style my own wigs, so I don't actively go looking for them, but I've only received like a few in the past that have come with things on them. So this one actually came with Undertaker's very long plait already plaited into the wig, so it's just done up at the bottom by an elastic band. Very nice. It's really smooth and it feels kind of nice to touch. So this wig came with the fringe over his eyes, so if you know like the regular Undertaker, I'll put some images on the screen now, it would be perfect and ready to go for if you were just doing him in his normal version. But obviously, because I'm doing the Book of the Atlantic version, I wanted it to be a little bit different because his eyes are on show, his face is on show, so I just styled it myself basically, and it was good to go for that purpose, but it definitely gave me a really good starting point to go from. So all I've done is I've just straightened this part that was originally kind of curled in front of his eyes, and I straightened it and put it to the side. Then I clipped the other part under here just to make it look like this. These, I don't know what they're called, but like these things that are on the side of his head, that was just kind of like one massive glued clump, so it was kind of styled like that for regular Undertaker. I just broke them up a little bit, like you can break them quite easily, and teased it like a tiny bit, and then they were okay. Another thing about this wig is it's super smooth. It's just so nice. It looks a bit frazzled at the back, but trust me, in real life it is not. Something to note though, it does tangle very easily, but it's inevitable because it's a long wig and they all do that. I did, however, find that this one untangled easier than most other long wigs that I've had in the past. I don't know why. I think the fibre feels quite different. Like, it's more of a silky hair feeling instead of that plasticky feeling. If you do have a long wig and you have that problem, or if you go and order this one and the same thing happens to you, because it will happen with any long wig, just get some detangling spray. I use the mane and tail one, and then get a wide toothed comb and just brush from the bottom of the wig to the top. Don't start at the top and go through the bottom, and if you do that, it will just come out, and it was really, really easy after that. I don't know why, I tend to find that with long wigs it's just kind of like any old plastic put down to make it really long, but this one's actually really nice. The whole thing is really good quality. I like the way as well that they keep a lot of the body of the wig on the head, because sometimes you can get some and they're thin on the head and then you've got like nothing to work with because it's just downwards. But where they've kind of layered it into like this bob style at the top, you've got like a lot to work with if you wanted to change it, or if it comes out of style and you just want to wash it and then restyle it, you'll be able to do that. For both of the items, 10 out of 10, no complaints. Both very, very good quality, and it's from a store I trust. If you're in the UK, this is a good one because they ship relatively fast, so you don't have to wait for like super long amounts of time for your products. If you've ordered from this company before, let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you liked it, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, if you're a Black Butler fan, let me know who your favourite character is. Undertaker is one of my all-time favourite characters, so I'm really happy I get to cosplay him now. That's all I really have to say for this video, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.